7 Amazing Benefits of Manuka Honey. First, Manuka honey, what is it? The bees that pollinate the Manuka shrub make the distinctive honey that is only made in New Zealand. Manuka honey is not only 100% natural, but it also has a rating called the UMF, Unique Manuka Factor. A score of 10 or higher ensures both quality and purity. Any rating below 10 could be a subpar copy of Manuka honey or less effective. 7 Amazing Benefits of Manuka Honey. 1. Viruses and bacteria are killed by Manuka honey. A rhinovirus or, less frequently, a coronavirus is normally to blame for the common cold. Secondary opportunistic bacterial infections can exacerbate colds and flu symptoms and make them more difficult to treat. Manuka honey has demonstrated in numerous research settings that it is excellent in both preventing the spread of viruses and bacteria and eliminating them. Relief for cold and flu symptoms. Manuka honey from New Zealand is highly successful at preventing and treating the common cold because it possesses therapeutic characteristics that are not present in other varieties of honey. Methylglyoxal, MgO, which has unique antibacterial properties and is found in Manuka honey, is what causes a variety of cold and flu symptoms, including blocked sinuses, sore throats, and coughs. Along with its antibacterial effects, Manuka honey also possesses calming, anti-inflammatory qualities that, while the methylglyoxal is working, instantly relieve sore throats and coughs. 3. Manuka honey enhances gut wellness. The powerful antibacterial properties of Manuka honey are extremely beneficial for your digestive system. Adding 1 to 2 teaspoonfuls of this superfood to your diet each day can help you start seeing the benefits. Your total immune system depends heavily on having a healthy gut, which also affects our daily emotions. 4. Acne treatment. A bad diet, stress, or the growth of germs in closed pores can all contribute to acne, even if hormonal fluctuations are the main reason. When coupled with a low pH solution, Manuka honey's antibacterial characteristics are commonly promoted as an acne cure. Manuka honey may expedite the healing of acne by assisting in keeping your skin free of germs. Reduce the risk of gastric ulcers. Manuka honey is frequently used to treat stomach ulcers and digestive difficulties because of its potent therapeutic abilities. Manuka honey is most frequently used as a treatment for gastric ulcers since it is believed to have a healing ability comparable to that of antibiotics. 6. Beauty and skin care. Manuka honey can provide cutaneous benefits in addition to healthy pleasures and internal health benefits. Honey and skincare don't typically go together, but your skin will appreciate using raw, unpasteurized Manuka honey. Manuka honey can assist to naturally cleanse the skin while also nourishing it with antioxidants because of the antibacterial properties contained in MgO. 7. Could treat wounds. Manuka honey's antibacterial qualities enable it to aid in wound healing in addition to relieving skin issues. The majority of hydrogen peroxide, which is less efficient when combined with blood or serum in the wound, is responsible for honey's antibacterial activity. However, methylglyoxal is responsible for the antibacterial effects of Manuka honey. Since methylglyoxal doesn't lose its potency when in touch with bodily fluids, Manuka honey can stop bacterial development for longer lengths of time without having to reapply it.